So as we are looking at the different drivers that are facing our customers, such as resiliency, sustainability, and the consumer engagement side, when we bring all this together, it requires a new approach for the utilities. And what we are learning based on our feedback that we get from customers is that there's a gap. The gap is that the utilities are used to a single one-way power flow from a central place all the way to the edge, servicing customers and delivering reliable and affordable power. Now what's happening with all these changes is that needs to be a lot more visibility on the edge of the distribution grid. And what we see that our customers, the utilities, often have visibility based on their investment into SCADA and ADMS over the years, have a visibility down to the substation. But below the substation, it really is a big gap. And the gap is in multiple aspects. The gap is for visibility, lack of understanding, what are these electric vehicles showing up? What is the consumer doing? What is the load on my service transformer? And all of this is impacting reliability and resiliency at the edge, exactly where it matters. When we have an outage, do we really know what is the load on this service transformer that was the cause of a service outage in a residential neighborhood? And our customers today say, like, we don't know. We rely on models. So one of the gaps is really the visibility and understanding what is happening at the edge of the grid real time. The second thing that's happening is we don't know what their consumer is doing. We don't know when they charge the electric vehicle. We don't know what they're doing. And the problem here is a factor not only of timing and measurement and real time, it's also a matter of scale. When you think about it historically, the operations team in the utility, the grid operator, had to deal with managing maybe 1,000, maybe 10,000 of assets in their system, and they're really good at managing this real time. Now what's happening now is that with the consumer in the middle of this, the scale needs to be millions. That is a huge control gap in the industry right now at the grid edge that Itron is looking for, helping the utilities to overcome. So as we're looking now at this control gap at the grid edge, we have over the last few years built out solutions that help the utilities to solve these challenges. And we are basically look at this as a grid edge solution set with grid edge intelligence. That basically means with our technology that we have developed and deployed over the years called distributed intelligence, we are now making each of these endpoints smart. We are basically turning each of the endpoints, the meters, into a smart computer that can run applications and is a grid sensor. It's a communication device that can be a home energy management system. It can help to create visibility, but also optimization and control, and give the utility now a whole set of tools to address all these issues and these gaps that we have discussed previously. We see that the energy on this floor and the challenges that our utilities face have started to shift from curiosity about the new technologies, from starting to work on proof of concepts, now to taking action on how to transition this into scale. We see that the challenges and the questions are shifting from just questions around technology to questions on like how to plan and implement and operationalize, how to support it with business change management. We are super excited that the journey is progressing, it's accelerating, and our customers are coming out to us now with ideas on how to take this technology to the next level. So we believe, as an organization at Itron, but also as an industry at whole, we're at the tipping point. We will see accelerated adoption of these new technologies as we're working through the next layer of challenges with our customers. So we're super excited about what's to come, and we can't wait for this journey to continue.